Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be removing a fuel pump out of a Nissan March or Micra. So as you can see, I've already removed the back seat, and so for us to actually get to the fuel tank, we have to remove that cover with the arrow written front, and it's not really hard to remove that cover. And I've got my helper there, Russell, on the way, always on the way. So when you want to remove this feed line, the supply line, against this arrow you push it forward, and then there are knobs that you press on the side, this side and on the other side. Push forward the pipe, press the knobs and push back, and the pipe comes off. Be very careful of the pressure coming out of this line, so you better make sure that when you actually remove it, you have a cloth on top like that when you push out the pipe. And this out. So the pump is the one right on the center there. It's right on the center. So it's this one there, right there, right on the center. And that is what we want to change. So I'm gonna take it out and then see if I could find it. So I managed to take out the pump from the center of this housing, and it was very tiring because of these plastic hoses that they use inside the I think these things initially they were very soft, but now they've hardened because of the being immersed into the petrol for a very long time. So I'm gonna change this pump. I'm gonna have to look for another one, and this pump is for a Nissan March. I'm pretty sure that you can find it also on a Nissan Micra. Gonna have to remove these connections.